Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss some of the previous year questions that came in JEE Mains and Advanced from this topic of vectors. Now this question is from JEE Advanced 2017 and there are three vectors that are shown to us and certain relations are given. Now if I consider the diagram, if I redraw the diagram, I can see it is given that R vector is equal to Q plus P vector. So you can see the vectors are following the triangle law. Can I say unit vector along this direction will be R unit vector, and that can be written as R vector divided by R. Okay. Now length of this vector, PS vector, this length to us as B into modulus of R. So can I write PS vector in this manner? Please pay attention here. Can I write PS vector as magnitude into unit vector along its direction? If you put the value, so PS vector is BR vector. Okay. Similarly, if you go for SQ vector, it will be 1 minus B into R, then the magnitude into R unit vector. Using the same logic, this will become 1 minus B into R vector. Also, can I say P vector plus PS vector is equal to S vector? So can I write P vector plus BR vector is equal to S vector? This is my first equation. I can also write S vector plus SQ vector is equal to Q vector. So I can write S vector plus 1 minus BR vector is equal to Q vector. Using 1 and 2, we can eliminate R vector. And when we eliminate R vector, we will get a relation between P vector, S vector and Q vector. If you eliminate and relate, you will find out, you will get this kind of a relation. And that matches with option C. So this is how we need to approach this question. Okay, fine. This question then is from 2019 mains paper, right? Certain relations are given for A1, A2, and we need to evaluate this expression. Can I say modulus of A1 plus A2 is given as 5? So I can say five square. Now if I put the values, it will be, see, A1, A2 cos theta, I can write them as A1 dot A2. From here I get one very important value, that is A1 dot A2, and I get the value as minus 9 by 2. Very, very important. Now let me evaluate this. These are vectors. These should have been vectors. So if I evaluate this, first term will be 6 into A1 dot A1. I have already discussed that will be A1 square. It will then be minus 4 into A1 dot A2 plus 9 A1 dot A2 because you do a1 dot a2 or you do a2 dot a1, that is same. And last will be minus 6 into a2 dot a2, that will be a2 square. So this turns out to be can I then say this will be 6 into 9, 5 into a1 dot a2 I have already calculated as minus 9 by 2. a2 square will be 25. This will be 22.5. Right? If you solve this, this will turn out to be minus 118.5. And hence that matches with our option D. That is our required option. Fine. Now this question is from JEE Mains 2019. Okay. In this question, it is given that the two vectors A and B have equal magnitudes. The magnitude of A plus B is n times the magnitude of A minus B. So can I say, if I look at magnitude of A plus B, it will be A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Theta is the angle between vectors, square root. Since they have equal magnitude, say their magnitude is x, so I can write this in this manner. It should have been 2 here. From this should be plus, right? Correct? Now for A minus B modulus, A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta. Again same magnitude, so I can write this. The magnitude of A plus B is n times that, so I can say, if I take square on both sides, it will then become this. If I rearrange, this should have been 1 plus cos theta. Cos theta then becomes and hence you are looking for angle between vectors, which is theta, so this is cos inverse if you look at the options, then the correct option will be option C. Fine. Now if we consider this question, again we need to fulfill this condition. So can I say modulus of A vector, these are vectors, is A, and similarly modulus of B vector is, see, it will be root over A square cos square omega t plus A square sin square omega t. This will become A only, because sin square omega t plus cos square omega t will give you 1. So can I say we are looking for this condition? Correct? If we are looking for this, upon putting the values, this will become 6a square. So you can see from here cos theta will become half. So theta will have a general solution of 2n pi plus pi by 3. This is one. I can also say a dot b is equal to a into b into cos theta. So this will become, अगर आप a dot b करते हैं तो i cap से मल्टीप्लाई होगा j cap से. So can I say it will be this gives us cos theta is equal to cos omega t. So theta is equal to omega t. Theta you have already got the general solution. So can I say omega t will be equal to value of omega is given to us as pi by 6. Time is then so can I say in the question we were looking for the first time. So first time will occur when n is 0. If you put n 0, that will be 2 seconds. So answer to this question will be 2 seconds. Right? Answer to this question will be 2 seconds. Fine. Now this question is from JEE Mains 2019. So we have to find the vector GH vector, correct? We have to find what is GH vector. This is what the question is asking us. I'm saying let me draw two vectors. Can I say OG vector plus GH vector is equal to OH vector, and GH vector is OH vector minus OG vector. Now if I write coordinates of G, it will be a by 2 comma 0 comma a by 2. For H it will be 0 comma a by 2 comma a by 2. Correct? So can I write OG vector will be a by 2 I cap plus a by 2 k cap, and OH vector will be a by 2 j cap plus a by 2 k cap. So GH vector will be OH vector minus OG vector. So when you subtract, you will find out k cap will cancel out. So this will become a by 2 j cap minus a by 2 I cap. Taking a by 2 common, it will be j cap minus I cap. And hence it matches with option 3. That is the required answer. So these were some of the previous year questions from the topic of vectors. Right? Thank you everyone.